everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the wildest videos on YouTube, MrBeast's. $1 billion chocolate factory tour. Yeah, you heard that right. $1 billion. When I first saw the title, I thought, no way, this has to be a joke. But then I watched it, and honestly, it felt like stepping into a real-life Willy Wonka world, only bigger, louder, and crazier. I don't just want to give you a recap. I want to break this video down. I'll share my honest opinion on what worked, or maybe went a little too far, and what this whole thing says about YouTube, influencer culture, and marketing in 2025. So grab a snack, maybe even a Feastables bar, and let's jump in. First, a little context. MrBeast, or Jimmy Donaldson, is the biggest YouTuber in the world. He's famous for massive giveaways, huge challenges, and videos that push the limits of what's even possible on YouTube. A couple years ago, he launched his own brand Feastables, a chocolate and snack company. And this chocolate factory, it's basically the ultimate marketing move. He took his product and built $1 billion Willy Wonka dream world around it. It's not just a tour. It's branding, it's entertainment, it's hype, and it's classic MrBeast. So let's talk about the actual video. The first thing that hits you is the scale. The factory is massive. Everywhere you look, there's something crazy: giant machines, production lines, and over-the-top details that feel straight out of a movie. Then there's the chocolate fountains. I mean, literal rivers of chocolate flowing around the place. It's mesmerizing and kind of ridiculous at the same time. Throughout the tour, he shows off different sections of the factory. In some places, you've got oversized candy. In others, wild challenges for the people in the video. It never feels like just a factory tour, it feels like a giant staged experience designed to make your jaw drop. And to be fair, it works. The whole time I was watching, I kept thinking this is insane, but I can't stop watching. Okay, so let's start with what I actually loved about it. Number one, the entertainment value. This is what YouTube is all about. It's big, it's fun, and it keeps your attention. You can't deny that. Number two, the marketing brilliance. Think about it, millions of people watch this video, and the first thing they associate with it is Feastables chocolate. It's the perfect product placement without ever feeling like an ad. Number three, the innovation. Nobody else on YouTube is doing this at this scale. MrBeast is basically making Hollywood-level productions for free on YouTube. That's insane. And number four, the inspiration factor. Whether you're a creator or just someone chasing a dream, it's motivating to see how far creativity and persistence can take you. But now, let's be real, there are downsides too. First, the cost. $1 billion for a chocolate factory? That's mind-blowing. And it raises the question, was all that money really necessary? Second, is it permanent? Like, is this an actual functional chocolate factory? Or just a set built for one viral video? If it's just a stunt, then yeah, it's entertaining, but it also feels wasteful. Third, spectacle fatigue. MrBeast is always chasing bigger, louder, crazier ideas. But at some point, will the audience get tired of it? Will people stop being impressed? If everything has to be the biggest, or the most expensive? And fourth, the balance between simple and grand. Sometimes the most powerful stories are small and personal. Not everything has to be huge to be meaningful. That's something I think about when I see productions at this scale. When you zoom out, this isn't just about one video. It's about the direction YouTube is heading. Every year, creators try to outdo each other with bigger stunts and bigger budgets. The competition is intense, but how sustainable is it? On the flip side, MrBeast has found a way to blend business and entertainment better than almost anyone. He entertains millions while also promoting a real product, Feastables. That's smart, and here's something worth noting. Feastables has claimed to use fair trade cocoa, which is huge in an industry known for exploitation. If that's true, then at least there's an ethical layer to all of this. But there's also an impact on viewers. Kids and teens might watch this and think success equals insane wealth and massive spectacle. And that's not always the healthiest message. Real life isn't always billion-dollar chocolate factories. So here's my honest take. On one hand, this is pure genius creativity, marketing. Entertainment, it checks all the boxes. On the other hand, it's over the top. It's extravagant. It makes you wonder if bigger is always better. In the end, I'd say it's both inspiring and a little overwhelming. But that's just my opinion. What do you think? Is this one of Mr. Beast's best videos yet creative, original, inspiring? Or do you see it more as a flashy stunt with too much money behind it? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment down below. And let's start a conversation. Alright, that's it for today's breakdown. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And stick around for more deep dives into viral YouTube moments. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious. And hey, maybe grab yourself a Feastables bar while you're at it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.